Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this session, I am going to cover one of the very interesting built-in data type in Python, that is set here. Guys, before going to the practical part, so let me discuss few theory things here. Guys, set is a collection of object. If you can see on a screen here, set is a collection of object. What does mean by the collection of objects here? Suppose if you want to represent the group of entity. Suppose I want to represent the student detail, teacher detail, college details, okay, in a bunch format. So I want to maintain the 10 colleges details, like college name, college id, college location, whatever. So these things I want to maintain. In that case, instead of creating the separate variable for that, so create the object, collect those object into a single data type or single unit, so that unit we can use as a set. So the set is used to represent the group of object as a single entity. Okay, so that is mean by the setting. Apart from that, what things we need to consider when we are going to use a set? The first thing is that insertion order is not preserved. So in which order you guys are going to insert the data or the object or element into the set, this order not getting followed. Okay, not preserved. Apart from that, let me discuss the second point and third point. After that, I'll be going to show you the practical part about these 3 points. Okay, second point is like it allows the heterogeneous objects or element. So what does mean by the heterogeneous means it can be allowed any type of data. Suppose I created one college, suppose I created one set, dummy set, and inside that I can put the number, I can put the boolean, I can put the string. Okay, heterogeneous means different data type we can put inside the set. Apart from that, it duplicates not allowed in, okay, duplicates are not allowed in set. Okay, let me show you these things, 3 points practically what we need to follow here. So let me add one section by using this plus sign here. And before going ahead, like create one basic set here, like I'm going to create one name set. Okay, then how to create the set here? So there is a question like how we can create the set in Python. We saw in Java we can use the implementation of set class, set interface. Then how you can create the set in Python here? Okay, so in Python we can create the set by using the curly braces. So we need to use this curly braces to represent the set. Okay, so inside this curly braces you can put the values. What kind of values? So you can put any type of value. I'll show you what kind of things we can insert here. So this is the way we can create the set here. Let me add the name Sam, then Vamsi, correct, and let's print that set. Okay, fine, let me run that. Yeah, you can see set has been created. Now what you guys are observing here, so I am inserting the data like this: Sai, Sam, and Vamsi in this order. But what I am getting here, I am getting Sam, Sai, and Vamsi. So which point you are getting? So this point. Insertion order is not preserved. In which order you are inserting the element into the set, so this order not getting followed. Okay, internally based on the, okay, internally based on the hash code of these objects, data will get inserted into the set. Okay, so this is the things we need to check. Point be clear, like insertion order is not preserved in set, correct? Okay, so let me discuss the second point here with a practical thing. Suppose I am going to add, so now I created one set type of string. So I inserted all element as a string type. Now if I insert the element as a another type like number type, then what will happen? Let me see. Yeah, nothing will happen, man. Nothing will happen. It allows the data. Now let me add boolean here. Okay, then let's see. Guys, why this boolean value is not getting here? See, set will consider the one and true as a single value. Okay, as a single value, that is the true or false. Like we know, like we are mapping the 0 and 1 for the true and false. 1 is a true and 0 is a false. Suppose let me show you the 0, like false condition. How work false condition? See, in that case as well, we will get the 0 instead of getting the false. Correct. So set considering these two objects as a duplicate objects. That's why we said here duplicates are not allowed. Third point, I'm going to show you, like third point. Suppose let's discuss the more passionate manner here. Okay. So see, let me conclude the third point here. So what set does not allow the duplicates here. Correct. Here I replicate two elements Sam here. Let me print. What will happen? See, I added Sam as a two time, but it is taking only one time. It is taking only one time. That means it prevent or it will not allow. It is not going to allow the duplicate here. Okay, that's what I am saying here. So this is the three rules. Suppose I want to check the type of the name list variable. So what type of exactly it is creating, which class we are using here, or which type of class the name set will be there. Okay, let me show you. So you can use a type method. As you know, to check the type of particular variable, we can use the type here. Correct. Now let me execute. Let's see. So this variable is a set type. The name set variable is a type of set. Okay. Now how to create the object of this set? So can we create the this class object? Yeah, we can create the this class object. That means we have another way to create the set here. Let's see what is that way. I'm going to use the same variable here. Let's create the constructor of this class. Okay, so we need to create the constructor of this class in this way. Let me paste these items inside that constructor. Okay, yeah. Now let's print that name set here. Again, let's execute it, man. Yeah, it works fine. It won't allow the duplicates here. Now I want to check the length of this name set here. How I can check? By using the by using what? By using the len function. We already have the len function here. So you can print, see how many elements are there. We inserted 4 elements, but now what will be the exact length of this set? So it accepts only 3 elements. That means length of this element is 3. Now I want to iterate this set. How I can iterate? By using the for each loop for n in, or we can say name in properly. Let's say name set, give the name set. Okay, print that name. Okay, let's print it. See guys, we can able to iterate it. So this is the way. Correct. Now what we saw here, let's see. Insertion order is not preserved. Heterogeneous objects are not allowed. Sorry, heterogeneous objects are allowed here. Duplicates are not allowed.